Southern Dobruja is a place of untouched nature and beautiful wetlands. Here can be found the Silistra region, shaped by the Danube River, which flows through this charming area before entering the Black Sea. The best way for visitors to explore the region is by taking a boat trip on one of Europe's longest rivers.
Kirándulásunknak azt hiszem, hogy ez a tetőpontja, fénypontja, ez a hajóút, ahol tényleg láthatjuk mozgásban, hogy milyen szép itt a természet és milyen érintetlen.
On the west bank of the Danube River is Srebrna Nature Reserve, home to an untouched natural habitat. Visitors can hike and explore the wildlife of this UNESCO World Heritage Site, located on the bird migration route between Europe and Africa.
This particular site is special because it has the only breeding colony of the Dalmatian pelican in the whole of Bulgaria, and also the only breeding colony of the glossy ibis in Bulgaria. So for those two reasons, it's a great place to visit.
On a bicycle journey through this protected ecosystem, visitors can experience the beautiful natural surroundings of Lake Srebrna from various viewpoints. In this idyllic environment, rich local traditions are closely connected to the element of water and can be witnessed firsthand. Water has always played a vital role in the everyday life of the local farmers. It's the key element in many traditions and dances, like the butterfly ritual, representing the coming of age of young girls.
Това не е традиция, по-скоро начин за... Понеже нашите прадеди са били малко срамежливи на тема любов и не може да се покажат открито, че се обичат. И това е единственото място, където момата остава самичка, е чешмата.
The perfect day at Silistra ends with local specialities. For example, a delicious banitsa served in a typical townhouse. Visitors can enjoy what Silistra has to offer with all their senses. Unspoiled nature and rich local traditions make the Silistra region an unforgettable journey.